Okay,
Hello.
all those who came last time, I told you that Dr. Leena Bhagat feeds me lint regularly, and she stood first last time, and there was no correlation. And and today, Somil is the brother of my wife who feeds me daily, and so the situation is even more troublesome. And actually, and truly speaking, I'm leaving town after this session. Somil, of course, is a gastroenterologist. He loves traveling, loves photography, and that was not a selfie, I think. And Somil, where did you travel to last?
Last 1 month, 3 months, 6 months.
No. Last good trip that you had, you enjoyed.
Last was Tanzania. That was out of the world.
Tanzania, huh? Wow. And you saw all the big five that did
Yes,
show?
absolutely.
Yeah?
All the big five.
Wow. So, Somil, what is that Tanzanian phrase for all the best?
All the best.
Okay, so that is the
Not
phrase.
a part of the question.
Okay, Somil, he's a gastroenterologist. So the first set of questions for 15 questions is on gastroenterology. Your timer starts now. In which of these causes of acute pancreatitis is the amylase least likely to rise? Viral, alcoholic, hypertriglyceridemia?
Hypertriglyceridemia.
Is correct. In HELP syndrome, which may complicate preeclampsia of pregnancy, what do the letters EL stand for?
Elevated liver enzymes.
Is correct. What is the commonest side effect of syrup sucralfate?
Aluminum toxicity.
Incorrect. Traveler's diarrhea is a significant risk factor for later development of which chronic disorder?
Irritable bowel syndrome.
Is correct. Excessive consumption of which of these three monosaccharides is implicated in causing fatty liver? Glucose, fructose, galactose?
Fructose.
Correct. In CREST syndrome associated with scleroderma, what does E stand for?
Esophageal dysmotility.
Is correct. A person with acute hepatitis B few months back presents with fever and foot drop. What complication do you think of?
Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Incorrect. Which particular antihypertensive drug is now known to cause celiac sprue-like enteropathy and chronic diarrhea? Which particular antihypertensive drug?
Pass.
Which type of intestinal obstruction is episodic and is also called tumbling obstruction?
Intussusception.
Incorrect. Which gynecologic disease is often mistaken for IBS because it too presents with recurrent pain, sometimes with diarrhea?
Endometriosis.
Correct. Which colonic disease is more likely to cause constipation if it involves the rectum and diarrhea if it involves any other part of the colon?
Malignancy. Colonic malignancy.
Incorrect. Excessive use of sugar-free chewing gum can cause two GI symptoms. One is hiccups due to aerophagy, which is the other symptom.
Can you repeat?
Excessive use of sugar-free chewing gum can cause two GI symptoms. One is hiccups due to aerophagy, which is the other symptom. Due to the brand Creon 25,000 contains 25,000 units of lipase and is used in chronic pancreatitis. What is the MRP of one capsule of Creon? Approximately.
Around 45-50 rupees.
Is correct. Name an opioid agonist used in gastroenterology with almost nil addictive potential and in fact available as an OTC drug across the world. Opioid agonist used in gastroenterology.
Ondansetron.
Incorrect. Successful treatment of cirrhosis due to hepatitis C increases the incidence of which complication of cirrhosis?
Can you repeat?
Successful treatment of cirrhosis due to hepatitis C increases the incidence of which complication of cirrhosis?
Successful treatment of hepatitis C.
Correct. Of cirrhosis due to hepatitis C increases the incidence of which complication of cirrhosis?
Pass.
Okay. Your question, which particular antihypertensive drug is now known to cause celiac sprue-like illness?
Pass.
Excessive use of sugar-free chewing gum can cause hiccups and what else?
Reflux.
Incorrect. We'll give you the correct answers. The sucralfate side effect is constipation. Traveler's diarrhea, you said that. Polyarteritis nodosa is to be suspected when a hepatitis B patient comes later with fever and a foot drop. Olmesartan is the drug now labeled as an FDA warning to cause chronic diarrhea and enteropathy. Colonic disease, if it knows the rectum, constipation and diarrhea if it involves the rest, ulcerative colitis. Sweeteners in sugar-free chewing gum can cause diarrhea, and loperamide and diphenoxylate are both opioid agonists used for diarrhea routinely, and successful treatment of cirrhosis causes malignancy, hepatocell. The chances of HCC increase because the patients survive longer.
No. In hepatitis C, the virus is cleared. The patient will not develop hepatocellular carcinoma. Whereas in hepatitis B, they will develop because the virus
if
goes
the
into
patient has already developed cirrhosis,
yeah.
then he will not develop.
It is not because of treatment. So it's not because you've treated the patient. The patient has an increased risk. So
the chances of increased risk
because
improve
you
with
improve
longevity.
the survival, you mean? Okay.
Okay, what is the score?
Yeah.
7 out of 15. Somil? We have the second set of questions for Dr. Somil. His time starts now. Wait a minute. Thank you. IUCD or intrauterine contraceptive device is an option for emergency contraception after unprotected intercourse. True or false?
False.
Incorrect. Exclusive breastfeeding is recommended for how many months?
Can you
3,
repeat?
6. Exclusive breastfeeding is recommended for how many months by the WHO? 3, 6 or 9?
6 months.
Is correct. Name a drug used for familial tremors that can cause hypoglycemic unawareness in a diabetic.
Propranolol.
Is correct. Which weight loss drug causes malabsorption of fat and iatrogenic steatoria?
Repeat.
Which weight loss drug causes malabsorption of fat?
Orlistat.
Is correct. Name an antibacterial drug used against anaerobes that should be avoided in patients on warfarin.
Repeat.
Name an antibacterial drug used against anaerobes that should be avoided in patients on warfarin.
Clindamycin.
Incorrect. Acamprosate, brand name Acamprol, 666 mg TDS orally, may reduce the relapse rate of what?
Alcohol withdrawal.
Is correct. Doxycycline is well known to cause pill esophagitis. In which disfiguring disease of the face can doxycycline be given daily for 6 months?
Acne.
I'll give it to you. Bedaquiline has recently been approved in India for which disease?
Tuberculosis.
Is correct. The suffix Z in any iron preparation promises zinc. What does the suffix XT, as in Orofor XT, Ferrium XT, promise?
Extended release.
Is incorrect. A 7-year-old boy presents with abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, arthralgias, and raised purple red skin lesions. What is the diagnosis that you should consider?
Repeat, please.
A 7-year-old boy, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, arthralgias, and raised purple red skin lesions.
Pass.
Which vitamin deficiency other than vitamin D is associated with bone loss?
Pass.
The glycemic index of white bread is about 70, of chana dal is about 16. What is the glycemic index of glucose?
Can you repeat, please?
The glycemic index of white bread is about 70, chana dal about 16.
100.
Is correct. You are familiar with ERCP. This is about EECP, enhanced external counter pulsation. What symptom can EECP relieve? Enhanced external counter pulsation.
Supraventricular tachycardia.
Is incorrect. If the weekly dose of methotrexate exceeds 15 mg, it should be administered as an injectable and not oral. Why?
Toxicity.
Incorrect. Penetrative intercourse is to be avoided in a pregnant woman with placenta previa. Why should penetrative intercourse be avoided in pregnant women by partners who have recently traveled to Brazil and refuse to use condoms? Recently traveled to Brazil? Okay. Is that all? Okay. Your questions. The IUCD can be used as an emergency contraceptive device. Metronidazole is the antibacterial used in anaerobes to be avoided with warfarin. He said acne. The correct answer would be acne rosacea is the condition where doxycycline is used continuously for a period of 6 months also. XDR TB or MDR TB is for which bedaquiline is a new antidiarrheal drug approved recently. XT, anybody? XT? Folic acid. Folic acid, any medicine that says XT has necessarily folic acid. Whether it is Cerbex XT, which is a vitamin, Orofor XT, or even Ferrium XT. Henox-Schonlein purpura was the diagnosis in a GI, arthralgia, and skin lesions. Which vitamin, along with vitamin D, is associated with bone loss?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin K. K, you heard of bone D? नहीं, कौन सा आता था K वाला? Bone D के नहीं. कौन सा कैल्शियम K के साथ बहुत आने लगे थे क्या? Calcimex K2, etc. The glycemic index of glucose is the standard glycemic index of 100. EECP is used to relieve angina. Why is 15 milligram plus dose of methotrexate given in injectable? Correct, not absorbed in high doses in a proper fashion. So it can be erratic absorption if in a high dose. Okay, thank you, Somil. And your total score is 14 out of 30. One about the penetrative intercourse by a husband. Zika should be, and they should use condoms if they have to have, but condoms are necessary. So that is about Somil.